Welcome to the Florida Pool Man channel. Today we're going to be starting a new project. It's a paver project where pavers have been installed by another company. They were installed incorrectly and now they're settling, sinking, and even the block is falling apart. So what we're going to end up having to do is pick up everything that was previously installed, reset the foundations, compact everything, and then relay the new pavers. So it's going to be a pretty intense job. The grade looks pretty steep out here, so we're actually going to have to elevate the grade up a little bit as well, and we'll install some down drains to connect to all the downspouts. So I'm going to take you a look around. The guys are already pulling up some of the pavers, and we'll get started on this. Stay tuned. So as you can see, right in this area, the wall block has fallen and starting to crumble, which is making the subgrade settle and probably was not compacted very well to begin with. They also use cinder block for the retaining wall, which can be used in some cases, but you've got to do something about the cells of the cinder block and actually fill those up with some kind of cement or even a sand. And as you can see, they did it on some, but right here it's completely empty. None of the blocks on this radius were filled. This area will end up being a concrete pad for a future swim spa that they're going to install. So we'll leave the pavers off of this area and pour concrete here. We're going to remove all of this cinder block and use a proper wall block, because as you can tell, the grade's pretty steep coming through here and it's just too much water runoff. So we're going to try to level this out a little bit, bring our grade up. It'll just create a bigger step down on the back, but the patio will hold much better than what it did this time.